Not quite the Sabino, is it? He's got his dog on a jet ski.
Looks like he's up here.
Yeah.
It's the ugliest woman I ever saw.
Yeah, really.
State law says nobody can sit in front of the operator on a jet ski.
Huh.
I don't know if that includes dogs.
You were looking forward?
One of these boats comes once a day. I don't know.
What do you think, bud? This is quieter than the Sabino. Right?
This ride, can we go to the?
Yeah, we'll go up there, I promise.
Because I like that game.
Yeah, the game is pretty cool.
Just to shake the dice.
Did you count those numbers, right? And then that way. Oh, because you see and then you don't fall into nothing. Let's see, we're going this way. See if we can see Sam.
In the brick house?
The brick house, yeah. Here's the Cooper. See Sam? You see him? Oh, the ambulance is here.
Why?
You gotta go with this. Now you know why the horse is there. The horse is down there because that's where the horse sits. So they move the horse to get the ambulance in there. Didn't see an ambulance like that in 1876.
How did they get in?
They come in through the gate.
What if they fall out? Why do they have their hand out?
Yeah, he's looking, I guess.
Take video?
Not right now. Not on the boat.
Why?
I don't want you to take video. I'm in the middle of taking a video.
Can my phone take a video?
I don't want you to drop the phone in the water.
I won't.
Yeah, I know you won't. You don't have it.
Why can't I have it in the boat?
Just look at the view.
I see octopuses.
I don't think so.
I do.
Okay.
You can't see.
enjoy the ride. Okay. And then we'll work up an appetite for lunch.
No, and then we're going to the brick house. It's not lunchtime yet.
Not yet. That's why we were working up an appetite. Now that's a yacht, buddy.
What?
That's a big. Don't do that, please. Sit right. If you slip, you fall and you get hurt, and we don't want that.
Try to jump.
You saw one below the bridge a couple years ago? Well, whose is it?
Probably a charter, isn't it? Could be. If that's the case, it's probably a charter boat. That is a nice yacht, though, boy. Well, it's registered in Florida. An elephant.
People are getting ready on the Sabino. Look, Dad. See?
It says it's Charters International.
Yeah, charters, yeah.
112 foot.
112 feet.
It says it's owned by Charters International. 112. The document is registered on the floor and sold in 2009.
Yeah, fuel cost.
So, that's owned by a private charter company out of Florida. So, well, they got a price running
Sit
about
down.
15 million or what?
I didn't say the price.
Oh, look, it's crowded.
Hmm?
Dad, what if the ambulance fell in the water?
It doesn't fall in the water. You can drive it into the water, but nobody really does that.
Oh, remember that show that had that red car and then it drove into the water?
Yeah, that was.
Johnny Depp?
Wow.
Did at one time?
Oh, when are we gonna make a Yui? So tiny.
Probably hard for him living in France and all. It's probably hard for him to get on it when he's living in France. Although that